Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ORIG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 3 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the price has made a nice bounce over the past couple of days. Sure, it pulled back here a little bit, but from where it was at its low points to now where it is all the way up there, I think everyone would agree, yeah, it's made a nice bounce. But that brings about the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just one of these knee-jerk reaction dead cat bounces, a fake bounce? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that point is right here at the 25-cent mark. Why is 25 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, bounces that are actually bounces, well, are going to continue to bounce. The price is going to make progress forward. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's going to make progress forward and not go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 25 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this channel where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what it's all about. If this move has some genuine power behind it, then it doesn't have to be fast progress or anything, but the point being is there needs to be progress. And at this point in time, I'm defining quote-unquote progress as 25 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward. It's all about the purple line right here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. You can see already once during the earlier portions of the day, that's right where the price got knocked back down. So if this bounce has any chance at continuing and building, then not only is the price going to need to put in those higher lows, but the price is going to need to be able to push through that purple line and then stay above it. But any way you slice it, very nice bounce the past couple days. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls continue to build upon the bounce? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.